In this lecture, we will create a Pareto chart. Again, a very, very common chart. Let's search for the Pareto chart. So this is a type of chart which has both a bar and a line. So obviously it's a combination chart where the bars are representing a descending order of the item and the cumulative total is represented by the line. And there are loads of examples that you would find if you search on Google. Now, Pareto is typically used in financial and in supply chain and logistics. But even if you're not doing financial analysis, you can still use it for marketing and sales. Maybe you want to do it for ABC analysis or XYZ analysis. For this, we have to create a simple calculation. I want to see the cumulative. That means I want to see the cumulative sales. Now, this would be for bookcases, it will be 1580. For chairs, it will be 7014 plus 1580. But remember, whenever you're creating a Pareto, the first, absolute first thing that you have to do is to make sure that your data is filtered in a descending order. This is a must, right? So never make the mistake of writing a formula before you have ensured that the data has been sorted in a descending order. Once we have done this, now we can write equal to sum of C6, which is my first value. So I'll put a dollar sign and then C6 without a dollar sign. So what we are doing is we are finding the sum of C6, which is the same number, but in the next subcategory, it is showing me the sum of C6 and C7. And if we copy this formula all the way till the very end, now we have got ourselves the cumulative sale. Now remember, we are not really interested in this. We want to see the percentage contribution. So we can divide this by the sum of all the way from C6 to C22 with a dollar. Now this means that it is going to show us percentages starting at 12, 25, 36 and ending at 100%. So I hope that makes sense. What does 12% mean? It means that fasteners is 12%, fasteners plus appliances is 25%. The top three subcategories are 36. And if you notice, my top five or other top seven subcategories are contributing. So if I look at my top seven, they're contributing nearly 80% to my total sales. Again, the key here is in the formula. It's not a particularly difficult formula. In fact, once you have used it one time, you can just copy and paste it wherever you want to. The rest is very simple. We make a combination chart. We go to change chart type, click on combo. The cumulative sales is a line on the secondary axis, and the sales data series is a clustered column on the primary axis. And the result looks like this. So we get a nice Pareto chart where the line is showing us 100% and all these blue columns are telling us every individual subcategory in a descending order. Why is this helpful for a business? Because it helps you understand that your top seven or eight subcategories are contributing almost 80% to your total sales. So half of your subcategories are contributing 80% to your total sales.